Question number 1. The primary muscle of inspiration is the. The right answer is C. Diaphragm. Question number 2. The respiratory center is located in the. The right answer is B. Medulla oblongata. Question number 3. Surfactant in the alveoli reduces. The right answer is B. Surface tension. Question number 4. Gas exchange between alveoli and blood occurs by. The right answer is C. Diffusion. Question number 5. The normal respiratory rate for adults is. The right answer is B. 12 up to 20 per minute. Question number 6. The respiratory zone includes the. The right answer is D. Alveoli. Question number 7. The pleural cavity normally contains. The right answer is C. Serous fluid. Question number 8. The functional unit of the lungs is the. The right answer is A. Alveolus. Question number 9. Which cartilage prevents airway collapse? The right answer is B. Cricoid cartilage. Question number 10. Oxygen binds to hemoglobin at the. The right answer is A. Iron part of heme. Question number 11. The percentage of oxygen in atmospheric air is approximately. The right answer is C. 21%. Question number 12. The tidal volume in a normal adult is. The right answer is C. 500 ml. Question number 13. Chemoreceptors sensitive to carbon dioxide changes are located in the. The right answer is C. Medulla. Question number 14. The voice is produced in the. The right answer is B. Larynx. Question number 15. Boyle's law is important for. The right answer is C. Pulmonary ventilation. Question number 16. Hyperventilation leads to. The right answer is B. Respiratory alkalosis. Question number 17. The epiglottis prevents food from entering the. The right answer is B. Larynx. Question number 18. The carina is located at which vertebral level? The right answer is B. T4 and T5. Question number 19. The right lung has. The right answer is B. 3 lobes. Question number 20. Which nerve controls the diaphragm? The right answer is C. Phrenic nerve. Question number 25. Gas exchange in the tissues is called. The right answer is A. Internal respiration. Question number 22. The majority of carbon dioxide in blood is transported as. The right answer is C. Bicarbonate ion. Question number 23. The narrowest part of an adult airway is the. The right answer is A. Vocal cords. Question number 24. Negative intrapleural pressure helps. The right answer is B. Keeps lungs expanded. Question number 25. The lung volume remaining after a maximal exhalation is. The right answer is A. Residual volume. Question number 26. Which structure warms and humidifies inspired air? The right answer is A. Nasal cavity. Question number 27. The term respiratory membrane refers to. Right answer is C. Alveolar capillary interface. Question number 28. Compliance of the lungs refers to. The right answer is B. Ease of the lung expansion. Question number 29. Hemoglobin affinity to oxygen increases in. The right answer is C. High pH. Question number 30. The anatomical dead space volume is approximately. The right answer is C, 150 mm. Question number 31. Ciliated epithelium and airways helps in. The right answer is B, mucociliary clearance. Question number 32. The primary stimulus for breathing is. The right answer is B, high carbon dioxide. Question number 33. Which lung volume cannot be measured by spirometry? The right answer is C, residual volume. Question number 34. The Hering-Breuer reflex prevents. The right answer is C, overinflation of lungs. Question number 35. Which artery supplies the lung tissue itself? The right answer is C, bronchial artery. Question number 36. Normal partial pressure of oxygen in arterial blood is. The right answer is C, 80 to 100 mmHg. Question number 37. Pulmonary circulation is. The right answer is B, low pressure, high volume. Question number 38. The space between the lungs is called. The right answer is B, mediastinum. Question number 39. Which structure prevents collapse of trachea? The right answer is C, C-shaped cartilage. Question number 40. Ventilation perfusion ratio is normally. The right answer is C, 0 and 8. Question number 41. The lung capacity that includes all lung volumes is. The right answer is C, total lung capacity. Question number 42. Diffusion of oxygen is fastest when. The right answer is C, pressure gradient increases. Question number 43. Alveoli remain open due to. The right answer is D, surfactant. Question number 44. The largest amount of air that can be exhaled after a normal inspiration is. The right answer is B, expiratory reserve volume. Question number 45. The pacemaker of respiration is the. The right answer is C, dorsal respiratory group. Question number 46. Intrapulmonary pressure during inspiration is. The right answer is C, lower than atmospheric pressure. Question number 47. Carbon dioxide is converted to bicarbonate by. The right answer is B, carbonic anhydride. Question number 48. Pulmonary veins carry. The right answer is B, oxygenated blood. Question number 49. The respiratory tract epithelium is mainly. The right answer is C, ciliated pseudostratified columnar. Question number 50. Most oxygen is transported in blood is. The right answer is B, bound to hemoglobin. Question number 51. The serous membrane covering the lungs is. The right answer is B, visceral pleura. Question number 52. Airflow decreases when. The right answer is B, airway resistance increases. Question number 53. The laryngeal structure responsible for pitch change is. The right answer is C, arytenoid cartilage. Question number 54. Forced expiration uses. The right answer is C, internal intercostals. Question number 55. Oxygen dissociation is enhanced by. The right answer is D, high carbon dioxide. Question number 56. The site of highest airway resistance is the. The right answer is B, large bronchi. Question number 57. Which part of the respiratory tree lacks cartilage? The right answer is C, bronchioles. Question number 58. The lung apex is located near. The right answer is B, first rib. Question number 59. An increase in 2,3 BPG causes the oxygen dissociation curve to. The right answer is A, shift right. Question number 60. The term orthopnea means? The right answer is B. Difficulty breathing while laying down. Question number 61. The hilum of the lung contains? The right answer is C. Bronchi, vessels, and nerves. Question number 62. The elastic recoil of lungs is provided mainly by? The right answer is C. Elastic fibers. Question number 63. Pulmonary edema primarily interferes with? The right answer is B. Diffusion. Question number 64. A shift of the trachea toward the affected side occurs in? The right answer is C. Atelectasis. Question number 65. Normal pH of arterial blood is? The right answer is C. 7.35 up to 7.45. Question number 66. The respiratory center that limits inspiration is the? The right answer is B. Pneumotaxic center. Question number 67. Carbon dioxide diffuses faster than oxygen because? The right answer is B. It is more soluble. Question number 68. The lung region with highest ventilation is the? The right answer is B. Base. Question number 69. The part of the brain that voluntarily controls breathing is? The right answer is C. Motor cortex. Question number 70. The respiratory membrane includes all except? The right answer is D. Smooth muscles.